Okay, this is board problem number 3 on page 361. And in this problem, we're told that the heat that's lost through a glass window varies jointly as the area of the window and the difference between the inside and outside temperatures. That means it varies directly, the heat loss varies directly with area and the difference between inside and outside temperatures. What that means is that when the area of the window gets bigger, you lose more heat, and when the difference between the inside and outside temperature gets greater, like it's really cold outside, if it's warm inside, you lose more heat through the window. I think both of those things make logical sense to anyone who's ever lived in a house. So the three variables we're dealing with are heat loss, which I'll just call L. That's the heat loss through the window, and the area of the window, and the difference, let's call that D, between inside and outside temperatures. So difference between inside and outside temps. Okay, so we're told that heat loss varies jointly with these two things. That means it varies directly with both. So heat loss varies directly. It gets bigger as the area gets bigger, and the difference between the inside and outside temperatures gets bigger. So if I want to set up a K equals K proportion, to isolate K in this, I would divide both sides by AD. So right here I can see that K is equal to L over AD, heat loss over area times temperature difference. So L over AD is L over AD. So let's see, we're given initial values that the heat loss is 720 BTUs when the area of the window is 3 square meters, and the difference between the inside and outside temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. Okay, and what we're supposed to find in this problem is what's the heat loss through a window, so that's our unknown, that has a window with an area of 4.5 square meters and difference in inside and outside temperature of 12. So anyway, when we simplify this, we get 720 over 45 is equal to heat loss over 54. And I can simplify this. 720 over 45 can simplify to 16 over 1. So cross multiplying 1 times L is 54 times 16, which is 864. So the heat loss measured in BTUs is 864 BTU, British thermal units. Okay, and that's joint variation.